Good old South African patriot here. So I want to first start off with this article, and you can have a look at it. And then after I've spoken, I will add a video. And I just want to say, and this message is going out to white people, and I've said this before, the reason that we do videos in English is not because I like to speak English, because I'm Afrikaans, but I have some friends abroad that do like to see what's happening in South Africa, and they come into this channel and our previous channel, South African Prepper, to see what's happening in South Africa and in a way support us by spreading the word abroad. Not that we are looking for help from other countries, but it is good to have exposure. So it's very ironic that in a country like South Africa you have race laws, and you all know the banners from AfriForum. You have race laws in South Africa that discriminates against a minority, okay? So let's say the 2.1 or 2.2 million working white South Africans. Let's say with a snap of our fingers, we take all of those white jobs and we give it to black people, okay? The unemployment rate will only drop by 2 million. The unemployment rate in South Africa will still be as disastrous as it currently is. It'll make a small, minute little difference in the lives of black people if we give our jobs to black people just like that. So the video coming up, and sometimes you as a white South African should be proud, because sometimes I think they should scared of us. Sometimes I think they feel that they cannot compete with us, because compete with me, but you want to compete with me by taking from me, and then you want to compete against me. I mean, that doesn't work. It doesn't work nicely, eh? So sometimes I get the feeling that the only way to subvert and to literally conquer white people in South Africa is to just place a whole lot of laws on them, because they cannot outperform, they cannot outwork us, they cannot outsmart us. So they have to put laws against us in South Africa. And this is the honest truth. From my heart, to be very honest with you, I advocate for different cultures and different tribes looking after themselves. You go do what you do, and I will go do what I do. If it's the same with our fellow white patriots from the rest of the world. If you are French, go do what you do in France. And if you're English or Scottish or Irish or Australian or Canadian or American, you go do what you do. And that's fine. And we can be friends. And it's the same with black people, it's the same with Indian people, and it's the same with colored people in South Africa. Unfortunately, we do need our space, because we do not see eye to eye about many things. Check this video and you will see the reality in South Africa and what is coming to South Africa, sadly. And this is where the old channel comes in, South African Prepper, where you need to be prepared. It's not going to end well. Please like, and God bless.
Why you in?
Of course, we are combat ready for anything that these land thugs think they can do to us. We have seen them beating brutally our fellow brothers the other time, and we know they are armed and they are ready to shoot to kill. So are we.
Okay. So that's the reason you're wearing your bulletproof vest?
Of course, the circler must know that this time around they are not just going to get away with brutalizing Africans and think we're not going to respond. We're going to respond with each bullet straight to the head of each section.
What's your name?
Bangaliso Sambo.